What's good, car mods lover? Do you want to upgrade your Toyota Revo? I got you this one. First, let's talk about our carbon fiber bonnet. It's super light and boosts the car performance as well. So we actually have two designs of the fabric. This one is twill weave and another one is plain weave, which is, we call it F1 design. Let's take a look a little bit underneath. This one is a license plate frame, which is good looking and stylish as well. So let's see what's next. And on the side of the car, we got a side frame cover, which is make your car more spectacular. And surprisingly, we got a car door as well. So for the both side of the car, it's make really good distinct and strong at the same time. So let's see the back of the car. Last but not least is the trunk, ready to tackle any situation, whether you're on a trail or in the city. If you're interested in the carbon fiber accessories, you can check out our website and platforms below. And if you want to know more about our products and partners in the other countries, you can basically reach out to us at Monza Factory. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.